Hello, hello. It's your girl, Strong Warrior. What is goody? I have some messages for you. Okay, first we're going to start off with the Ace of, which is like the screen that you see now, a little blurry. Things may appear a bit foggy. Some things are not clear. So it's hard for you to have some sort of cleared mental space, okay, in order for you to move on. That could be due to any substance or any influences that you dig yourself into, okay? You're not sure about the road ahead, can't even see the sun. It looks like a weird, creepy day type, but this is being illuminated right now. The energy needs to change. You kind of gotta stop getting in your own way. Kind of have to stop being rebellious about things, especially the way that you communicate. All right, it's really short-minded. It's not anything that is matured. It's one of those things where it's filled with a lot of doubt, a lot of insecurity, and a lot of past failures. Okay? Wow. So open your heart. I have the Lovers card here with another major arcana, the Sun, where your relationships are highlighted. You need to add a little more love with the relationships that you already have. Okay? Talking about friends, real friends, the ones that can call you friends back, the ones that you know love you back. Okay? Family, soul tribe, co-workers that are a good team, things of that nature. Okay? Because this is signifying that you have that there. You may feel like you lost an opportunity, or you may have too many options on your plate. You might want to think about what is necessary now, take care of the short term, and put the long term on the back burner until you're able to get to it. All right? Exactly. Go within. Meditate on a situation. Yep. And find that clarity that you need. Like a motherfucking queen. You know what I mean? Those are the messages. You're ready.